Put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Tell them dim the lights down right now. Put me in the booth. I'm talking about dark perfume. Go.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance.
For like days, only been days, but it felt like months. When gone for a year, only know like once.
What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl AmarahBeaute with the E and not a Y. Okay, y'all. So if you're new, make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe, and be part of AB Game for Life for lifers. Quick PSA before we get started into this YouTube video. So this YouTube video that y'all about to see is current. It is recent, but I'm planning on doing Throwback Thursdays because your girl got a bunch of content and I've been gone, right? And so I'm doing this Throwback Thursday across all my social platforms of any content that was probably from a month ago, a year ago, 2 weeks ago, 3 months ago, 4 months ago. And I just want to put that out there just in case it's like, oh, are you currently in that country? Are you currently doing that right now? No, most of the content I edit or post is not current, but it is something that I want to keep recent. So on Thursdays, if you do see old content, that's going to be most of my old content from me traveling, from me studying abroad, or just me doing casual stuff. So I will be posting Throwback Thursdays on my TikTok. My TikTok handle is right here. And I'll be posting Throwback Thursdays on YouTube, which is this channel right here. So make sure you like, make sure you comment and subscribe. Turn on your post notification bell so you'll be updated when I post all this fun content. And then for Saturdays or Sundays and Mondays, which is going to be my current posting schedule, is when my content will come out. Okay, cool. All right, I'm done. Like, comment, share, and subscribe, and let's get into this video. What's up, YouTube? Welcome back. Today is another day in the gym. I am so tired, but you know, we gotta get through it. I'm also sick. Like, I got super sick. I am using keratin, and then I'm putting a flavor thing in there. I worked out Monday, perfectly fine. Tuesdays is my rest days. Tuesdays and Sundays is my rest days, okay? And so I'll rest on Tuesday. Oh, I woke up Wednesday feeling terrible. I felt the itch in my throat. Tuesday, I was in class, I was doing this. And next to me, it was like, what is that? I was like, girl, my throat itch. So I knew, like, when that happens to me, I know that I'm about to become sick. Anyways, I didn't come in the gym on Thursday, but I did come Wednesday. Now today is Friday, so that means now I won't have a rest day on Sunday because I already took my 2 rest days. Typically, I like to work out 5 times a week and have 2 rest days. Let's get into the workout. Today is upper body day.
Put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Tell them dim the lights.
Y'all, normally I listen to music, but it's literally okay to work in silence sometimes. Like, I know people be like, oh, I left my headphones. The day is ruined. I gotta go back. I used to be that person, but now I've gotten to a place where I can listen to sermons, motivation speeches, podcasts. Like, I listen to it all when I work out, and so sometimes sitting in peace is like okay. Plus I'm vlogging, so
Using these songs dedicated to you, and you're in the mood for empathy. Is blood in my pen. Better yet, with your friends and them. I really wanna know you all. I really wanna show you off. Fuck that, pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and your girl in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga, don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga, that ain't good game, homie, sorry. They say conversation rule the nation. I can tell, but I could never right my wrong.
yeah, this is my office. Come to work with me day.
Unless I write it down for real. P.S. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it.
Everybody knows I'm sick. Y'all decided to get a car wash. YouTube. The weather is looking good. It's looking very much nice. So I am on my way right now to skating class. Oh my god, I look so crazy, but it's okay. My hair is gonna be done next week, period. So you ain't gonna have nothing to say about me. And I've been stopped caring to do my edges weeks ago because I don't like putting that product on my sideburns because it breaks my face out real bad. But me and roller skating go together real bad. So that's where I'm heading now. It is in Cincinnati. I'm like 45 minutes out from Cincinnati, so this is gonna be an interesting drive. But I am going to a new skating class. So the skating class that I was going to before on Saturdays, but I was like, let me try this one out. It's the first one that's starting of this series of this class. So I was like, oh, this should be nice. And they gotta have like an adult skate after, which is fun because when I go to on Saturday, it's like always filled with kids. It's like an adult mixed with kids class. And let me tell y'all about these kids in skating and why I just try not to be around kids. A kid made me fall last week. And I was just like so mad. Not even at the kids, but just like at myself because something told me, like, you know how you skate, you sit down, you take a break, and you get back up. Some told me that last time I sat down was like, okay, be done. You know, class is over because you get free skate afterwards. And some told me like, class is over, just be done with it. And I was like, nope. And so then I ended up falling. And he literally bumped into my back skate. And he zoomed past me, what made me to fall. And it just kind of made me feel like, dang. And when you go to a skating class, everybody's not advanced. Everybody's trying to learn. Everybody's trying to get there. And so that's also a safe space for me to, like, you know, trial and error. So, yeah. Enough talking, because I'm a certified yapper for the right reasons and the right people and the right topics. And sometimes for the wrong topics. But I'll see y'all when I get there. Y'all, I'm so sleepy. And I'm still sick. Oh, Lord help me. I'm so sleepy. Like, I think I'm gonna go home and go to sleep, but I'm supposed to go home and edit this content. Then I'm supposed to take down my hair because I'm supposed to have this hair appointment tomorrow, but I think I'm gonna cancel it. I need to let her know right now that I'm canceling it because I want my natural hair to be out and I need to still wash it. My appointment is not until 8:30 a.m. in the morning. Crazy. And then I'm supposed to be traveling for spring break, so I'm trying to make sure, like, what hairstyle do I get so it can be fresh for that, or don't pay too much for a hairstyle then by the time spring break comes or April comes. I'm not able to keep that hairstyle in for long because I might want to switch it up as I know that I'm traveling. Thoughts. Life of being a woman. Skating was good, y'all. It literally just felt like, I don't know, but the spirit, the spirit in that place was so off. It was not the best. And y'all, that place was definitely in the hood. And I know it's the hood because I watched a YouTube video of Cincinnati hood and it was exactly where I was at. I should have showed y'all, but I was scared to take out my phone. Let's see. Hello. Girl, make sure you have your stuff ready. Oh. I know people get tired of me because I'm always like vlogging. Ooh. Oh, that's me. I can't believe that's me. They got cameras all through here. They like, y'all not finna play with us. They got you like on camera real bad. Thank you, hon. Thank you. You too. Y'all, as much as I want to park and eat right now, I can't do it. So y'all, I'm gonna head home. I still got like 20 minutes to go home. I stopped halfway. I'll catch y'all. Oh, this is hot. Hold on, let me look at my stuff because why is it so hot? What's up, YouTube? Right now, I don't know why I feel like my body is going through so much. I don't think I ever felt like this before. You know what's kind of crazy? I truly feel like I jinxed myself. I haven't eaten all day. So this is literally all I've been eating. I mean, this is literally the first thing I've eaten all day. I had a protein shake, smoothie kind of thingamajigger. Tomorrow's March 1st, y'all. It's gonna be a new month. My word for this month is nurturing. Nurturing myself. Love. Nurturing my health. Nurturing my mind, my body. Make sure I'm nurturing myself and fueling the body. Her name is Blue Sky. Blue Sky. I'm big on journaling. Not consistent as I used to, but definitely big on it. Gotta have a planner. Like, I'm a type of person, I need to know what I need to do, check stuff off my checklist. If I don't, I feel like I'm behind. This is a book that I'm wanting to read and get into. And so yeah, like, I have plenty of ways to keep myself busy. I just need to make sure I actually keep myself busy. Instead of like how I'm about to do now is go to sleep. I need it, y'all. It's like 8 p.m. It's a Friday night. 7 p.m. Friday. 95 degrees. Amarah in her bed and she finna get these Z's. Period. I'm about to go to bed. I'll see y'all in the morning. I don't think I'm gonna get my hair done because I still gotta take it down. And that lady wanted me to come at 8:30. And I still haven't texted her, so I'm sorry. My hair took it down and washed in time. And like Friday just rolled onto it. It was so busy at work this week. I got so much content to edit and post for y'all. So I'm gonna go to bed, wake up. I'm gonna sleep in, wake up, go to the gym. I don't think I'm gonna go to skating class because I went to skating class last week and I went to skating class yesterday. But I normally go every Saturday. So I went last week Saturday, and then for this week I had went on Friday to a new place, which I don't think I might be going back there. The instructor, terrible. Like, you have to know how to control your class and gather everyone in. Like, you cannot be an instructor and don't know how to instruct. And so the one I normally go to every Saturday, I actually should just stick to them. I talk too much. Anyways, I don't know if all this is going to be in my YouTube video, but oh well. Good night. I'll see you all in the morning. Love you. Up YouTube, so your girl got some new shoes. Okay, so these are supposed to be like my everyday wear because I just needed some more new comfortable shoes that's easy to walk in, you know, comfortable to wear. And I was like, these are so cute and they can go with different styles of outfits. These are a little bit big, just like by a half of inch, literally, not that much. But they're not that big at all. They're perfectly fine for my feet. And I have to understand that I don't wear the same shoes I was wearing in middle school. Although my feet did not grow as much, but it's not the same size as it was when I was in middle school, as I'm still going off that size 6.5/7. So unfortunately, I'm not that size anymore, but that's okay. These fit perfectly fine. They're so cute. Go get you some Aces. Very cutesy.
And these are definitely the gel 1130. I have the cream pure silver. Like I said, I have a 7.5 now, and then a 9 in women. Next, these are supposed to be my gym shoes. I am in the process to actually send in these back or get in a different size because these are too big. Now, these are a 9.5 in women, so these are actually a little bit too bigger than me. So these are the ones that's probably like an inch bigger or inch and a half bigger right here. But I got that because they said get them bigger if you have wider feet or if you like to wear thicker socks, especially when working out. You want your feet to have some room and be able to still breathe. And so that's why I did get these bigger based off the reviews. So we'll see as I start working out in them, are these the right fit or are they too big? Nevertheless, these are my gym shoes. They're so cute, y'all. These even do look cute like everyday wear shoes too. I don't know. I do feel like these ones are more cuter than let's see, I don't want to get them wrong. These are the women Nike AL8. These are really good for working out when you're training, especially doing leg day or anything like that for a flat shoe. I heard these are very flat. Sometimes I get confused by this heel part on how they can be used flat, but we'll see. I'm excited about the new pickups I have. I do want to get the AVs. Are they called the AVs from Walmart? Everybody been talking about. I want those as well. But yeah, these are the new shoes I got. So cutesy. I can't wait to put these shoes on. So yeah. I cannot be serious right now. This is my life. 6 a.m. to go to the gym in this weather. Chill. Look at it. It looks so weird.
It's so quiet, but I hear you saying to me, baby. Say our time, we're making up time. The times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you never said I couldn't miss your touch. I need to distance.
Okay, you guys, so that is a wrap for this vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.
Feel like this. Only been days, but it feel like